In the north of Burkina Faso, in Western Africa, the Sahel Desert spreads ever more outwards. A growing population and unsustainable land use has left the land depleted. But this region has also felt the effects of climate change. Not only does it rain less now, and there's less certainty about when the rain will arrive, it has become difficult to grow crops and feed families. But some farmers are working to turn the desert green once more.
As you do cutting and contact there. Was I mean to put a never pea never pisia? The saga never pass from my love, permitting Canada ligidikai. For Patal bar fire, which is you. Wakat Kanga, what a single side came with two. Kakor of my fast spelling I as a wood.
Tonde shijuwa, the same coin palm higher. Papa palm, the nang, to the round near the corn Pammy this man. In a 20 foot, course until a river, and was done a combi, and Boba Nori. I was saying Patariami, I use it more than Gidigo.
A local organization, the National Federation of Farmers, sends out help to outlying villages. Inusa brings new ideas to communities. He gives help and advice to farmers so that they can adapt to the realities of the changing climate.
I'm not yaking on mano. Mamda no and imbuidam that and be numbuida poi. Ndika Saturn and to Manimbuida, Ndika Saturn and Dika banging some pamfa, Poid in Imbuida. And Mater tomb there. Pipi, Prose Sam baby, the Prose Cabe, and Mater Yarik Bangare, Asantare, song Winiki, Kakosha. Kankosha, send that woman ning to farm of Yata animatera. Pikiri. Pa adete pa koputu hu le lo. Nyak bilivin to ko mane. Obane, pade dunia wanka dunia science am. E dunia science science ma climatique ya. E ren wan mo fa. Neme. Donc il so moment ya baw wa kabura emsa. Kabura emsin sakar ne mo sasa. Wala.
The new techniques bring old practices up to date. One method called Zai is to dig holes which are then filled with compost. The nutrients become concentrated in the holes and rainfall is carefully conserved. Gradually, the soil regenerates, making it productive once again.
Est un fléau qui menace le développement dans les pays au sud du Sahara. Il se manifeste par l'appauvrissement des sols et la disparition progressive du couvert végétal.
Tondo pa ba te sa wala di kide. Amode me wa ka to mi kem te tondo tu de zai. Ningi ki ndigle pipi sa ga mi kide tondo kitenga. Wakati kanga sa palge sa ne pani de somoya. Pipi sa mini sa mi kite yini mte fana mpuya. Kuan jemse. Aha. Le ne tonde ye tartaur sare. De sa mbon so wende fa. Songo de dumba.
Il est nécessaire d'aller au-delà de la production de subsistance parce que au-delà de la lutte contre la faim, il y a la lutte contre la pauvreté. Il faut que les paysans aient des revenus pour pouvoir mettre les enfants à l'école, pour pouvoir les soigner et pour pouvoir avoir un minimum, pour avoir une bonne qualité de vie.
Entire communities have been mobilized to adopt these new ways of working. By producing higher value crops and gaining access to markets, families can move beyond poverty. With more assets, families will be better protected against the unpredictability of climate change.
Parce que ayile sababu lundu. Te tumini jam to kota fa. Ti yala ya somanedo. Parce que tondo ko de zugudu ton pa mendi. wakat ninge ti sekudu de ton pa me yakin da rungo mbasabo wakat ningo biye sa ambe lokoto lili po ton pa makilfo ti tipe ko mi e kwalla po ton pa mligi nda sebili ko ta kengen to kala wakat kanga ton de hiya toying toyma mede ala kengo
Up to 300,000 hectares of land have been reclaimed from the desert. It's a story of progress which other nations can learn from, but more outside help will be needed if more farmers like Seydou are to fight climate change and escape poverty.
Sa ne bala be ku tonde hizia. Tonde la tamite asomne mo. Yi wa do rundu de hizima. Parce que tonde takala ko parce que zinse keteme tonde se sombantu. Zipela petan keti. Gorgona petan keti. Le mo taga nimbu ida pasekidi. Zinse sam pasme. Re yita fore soma